Whether you're a seasoned angler or just starting out, having the right gear is essential for a successful fishing trip. In this video, we'll show you 20 fishing gadgets and gear on Amazon. Let's get started. Upgrade your fishing experience with these enhanced fish lip grippers featuring an extended 4.3-inch EVA foam handle. The ergonomic T-handle design increases grip strength while reducing hand fatigue during long fishing sessions. The elegantly designed aluminum pliers showcase a lightweight hollow-out construction, combining functionality with comfort. Multi-purpose features include braided line cutters and split ring hook removers for complete fishing convenience. Spring-loaded handles enable smooth one-handed operation, while the included lanyard prevents accidental loss. Take control of your fishing experience with this American-made belt clip rod holder that securely attaches to any belt or strap between 1 and 2 inches wide. The 360-degree rotating design with quick lock-unlock functionality lets you adjust your rod angle instantly. Keep your rod stable and accessible with the integrated elastic cord system featuring adjustable cinch and quick access hooks. Built to accommodate both fly and spinning rods, this versatile holder provides hands-free convenience when you need it most. Keep your gear organized with these versatile aluminum carabiner clips crafted from lightweight aircraft-grade aluminum alloy. The durable construction resists rust and corrosion while maintaining minimal weight. The quick-release gate design allows fast, secure attachment to various fixing points. Perfect for outdoor activities like fishing, hiking, camping, and kayaking, these clips also excel as gear hangers, keychains, and backpack attachments. This 6-pack of 2-inch black carabiners brings convenient organization to your outdoor gear and everyday items. Keep your fishing adventures clean and convenient with this 4-pack of 16 by 24-inch microfiber towels. Each towel features waffle pattern construction that quickly absorbs moisture while maintaining softness through repeated use. The versatile design handles everything from cleaning hands and equipment to wrapping fish, protecting them from injury while keeping fishy odors off your hands. Built-in carabiner clips attach easily to belt loops or bags for instant access. Each towel showcases unique embroidered fishing-themed patterns, making them perfect gifts for outdoor enthusiasts. Enhance your fishing experience with this comprehensive toolkit featuring essential gear for every angler. The 9-inch pistol grip pliers offer multiple functions, including hook removal, wire cutting, and crimping, with a spring-loaded non-slip handle for secure control. The 10.5-inch fillet knife combines a super-thin blade with serrated backing for precise cutting. Its ergonomic handle and included sheath with built-in sharpener ensure safe handling and maintenance. A durable stainless steel fish gripper with rubberized grip provides secure fish handling, while the adjustable 12-inch wrist strap prevents loss. Experience clearer vision on the water with these versatile polarized sunglasses. The specialized TAC lenses eliminate harsh glare while reducing eye strain, complete with UV 400 protection against harmful UVA and UVB rays. Built for durability with scratch-resistant lenses and a sturdy plastic frame, these sunglasses maintain both style and functionality. The universal square frame design suits both men and women comfortably. Transform your outdoor experience with these practical sunglasses that combine reliable eye protection with comfortable style. Discover the miniature powerhouse of fishing with TRUSCEND's 2-inch segmented lures. These compact swimmers feature lifelike movement that triggers predatory strikes. The realistic 3D eyes and pearl powder coating create an irresistible presentation that mimics natural prey. Built with premium ABS material and an internal rattle chamber, these lures emit fish-attracting vibrations as they swim. The sound waves trigger feeding responses in nearby predators, making them ideal for both fresh and saltwater fishing. Crafted from 1000D water-resistant nylon with durable KM buckles and SBS zippers, this bag stands up to the demands of outdoor use. The innovative design features adjustable, detachable straps that let you wear it as a shoulder bag, backpack, or chest pack. Built-in rod holders and reflective safety features make it perfect for dawn and dusk fishing adventures. The spacious main compartment and specialized exterior pockets keep your gear well organized. Store tackle boxes, tools, and accessories in the divided interior while keeping frequently used items within easy reach. This wearable fishing rod holder is crafted from marine-grade aluminum and stainless steel, featuring a custom zinger tested to over 50,000 pulls for reliable performance. Keep your rod secure and accessible while tying flies, changing lures, or handling fish. The lightweight, compact design keeps your equipment safely elevated above mud, salt, and grit while preventing accidental drops. Built with UV-resistant materials and premium components, this durable rod holder gives you the freedom to focus on landing that trophy catch. Made from high-quality carbon steel, these swivels come in 5 essential sizes from 2 to 10, with 5 pieces of each size. Perfect for both freshwater and saltwater fishing applications. These durable swivels prevent line twist while providing quick and secure connections between your line and terminal tackle. The reliable snap design allows for fast lure changes without retying, saving valuable time on the water. Whether you're targeting trout in streams or larger species offshore, this comprehensive swivel pack ensures you'll have the right size for any fishing situation. This fish-friendly net includes a built-in measuring scale and snag-free nylon-covered PVC material, perfect for catch and release. The adjustable 36-inch handle provides extra reach when needed, and the included belt clip keeps your hands free for other gear. The convenient folding mechanism and retractable handle make storage and transport effortless, while the bright orange grip ensures visibility in low-light conditions. Complete with professional-grade accessories, including an anodized aluminum hook remover and no-puncture lip grip, this versatile landing net system adapts to any fishing situation. Experience powerful magnetic retrieval with this double-sided fishing magnet featuring 1,000 pounds of combined pulling force. Each side delivers 500 pounds of strength in a compact 2.95-inch diameter design. Built to last with premium neodymium rare earth magnets and triple-layer plating of nickel, copper, and nickel for superior rust resistance. Whether you're exploring waterways for hidden finds or searching for lost items around your home, this versatile magnetic tool combines professional-grade strength with reliable performance. Keep your fishing gear organized with this versatile rod storage system. The height-adjustable design accommodates up to 10 rods of various sizes, from spinning rods to offshore tackle, holding them securely in place. Maximize storage efficiency with the 3-layer design. Store large tackle boxes on the upper tiers while keeping smaller accessories organized in the bottom bin. The compact footprint includes both casters and adjustable feet for stable positioning. Assembly takes just 20 minutes, creating an accessible home for your valuable fishing equipment. Make a splash with this playful fishing-themed tee from Bonehead Outfitters. Featuring the humorous "Have a Crappie Day" design, this shirt celebrates those perfect afternoons spent catching crappie on the water. Crafted and printed in the USA, this pre-shrunk tagless shirt offers both comfort and durability. The semi-fitted design maintains its shape through washing, while the quality materials ensure lasting wear. Perfect for anglers with a sense of humor, this shirt combines classic style with fishing wit. Keep your boat organized with the KEMIMOTO Boat Caddy. This versatile holder features convenient storage for drinks and fishing gear, with strategic holes for hanging lines, bait, and tools within easy reach. Built from durable ABS material, this caddy includes a double-row drainage system to keep contents dry. Unlike unreliable suction cups, it installs securely with included mounting screws for lasting stability. Perfect for fishing boats, pontoons, and other marine vessels, this multi-purpose organizer also works great in bathrooms and garages. This 32-inch by 15-inch organizer features 3 compartments to neatly store life jackets, tackle boxes, and other essential gear. The adjustable straps and robust snap buckles ensure secure mounting to your boat's leaning post, back seat, or center console. Designed for marine conditions, this bag combines hook and loop fasteners with breathable mesh construction to keep contents secure yet ventilated. Reinforced edges with multiple layers of stitching provide exceptional durability against sun and sea exposure. Crafted from premium stainless steel with a black oxide finish, this versatile tool combines an axe, hammer, pliers, screwdrivers, bottle opener, and more in one compact design. Perfect for fishing, camping, hiking, home repairs, and emergency situations, this ergonomic tool fits comfortably in one hand and includes a convenient belt holster for easy carrying. Whether you're setting up camp, making repairs, or need a reliable survival tool, this multi-purpose axe delivers essential functionality without the bulk. Keep your fishing gear neatly organized with the OriGlam fishing lure box. Made from durable translucent material with excellent waterproof seals, these compact containers protect your tackle while letting you easily see what's inside. Perfect for anglers on the go, these mini organizers fit conveniently in fishing vest pockets or backpacks. The FDA-safe, non-toxic material ensures your lures stay rust-free without deterring fish. Versatile beyond fishing, these boxes work great for storing jewelry, small tools, and craft supplies. Make a statement with this classic Gone Fishing Dad hat. The black twill cotton cap features a stylish embroidered fishhook design with a playful, gone fishing message, perfect for anglers and outdoor enthusiasts. Crafted for comfort, this premium hat includes a pre-curved visor, built-in sweatband, and breathable eyelets. The adjustable antique brass buckle ensures a perfect fit for head sizes 21.6 to 23.6 inches. Whether you're heading to the lake or running errands, this versatile hat adds personality to any outfit. This all-in-one organizer securely clamps to any kayak deck up to 3 inches thick using the included adapter. The thoughtfully designed storage system features dual shelves for tackle and gear, convenient cup holders, and a protective lip that prevents items from falling overboard. Built for serious anglers, the rotatable fishing rod holder can be locked at your preferred angle. The system's durability is guaranteed through premium materials, powder-coated aluminum alloy construction, injection-molded nylon top, and stainless steel hardware.